Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will read simple sentences with CVC words. We will master words with the short vowel sounds. These are the sounds a, e, I, aw, and We will also learn the sight words for, me, and mine. Say the words after me. For, me, mine. Spectacular. Are you ready to learn? Let's read. Say the word after me. The axe is for me. Now read the words on your own. Read the word as you see the red dot. The axe is for me. Repeat after me. The pen is for me. Now it's your turn to read. The pen is for me. Repeat the words. The wig is for me. Now it's your turn. The wig is for me. Copy what I say. The box is for me. Now read the sentence on your own. The box is for me. Say the word after me. The rug is for me. Now it's your turn to read. The rug is for me. Repeat what I say. The fan is for me. Now it's your turn to read. The fan is for me. Repeat the words I say. The net is for me. Now it's your turn. The net is for me. Say the words after me. The fig is for me. Now it's your turn to read. The fig is for me. Repeat the words. The sock is for me. Read the words on your own. The sock is for me. Repeat what I say. The bun is for me. Now it's your turn. The bun is for me. Copy what I say. That map is mine. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. That map is mine. Say the words after me. That peg is mine. Now it's your turn. That peg is mine. Repeat the words. That pig is mine. Now it's your turn. That pig is mine. Repeat what I say. This pop is mine. Now it's your turn to read. This pop is mine. Copy what I say. This jug is mine. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. This jug is mine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.